everybody, I'm Lorna, this is Orion, and this is my wonderful mother Jeannie. We have Lulu, Ruby, and Harlequin joining us as well today. It has been almost 3 months since I have seen my mom because of quarantine, and so she is here visiting, and it is this guy's 7-month birthday. 7 whole months old. And we've been getting the Lovevery boxes, and this is the 7 and 8 month box, and I wanted to do an unboxing for this one in particular because he is into everything right now. He's, as you can see, he's trying to stand by himself, but he's very responsive, and so I didn't do an unboxing for. Did you puke all over it?
Yeah.
You did, all over it. We didn't do an unboxing for the 3 and 4 month box or the 5 and 6 month box, but he is so into everything right now that I thought it would be fun to open the box with him and see what his reactions were to things. So, minding the puke on the lid, here we go. Okay, play kit for months 7 and 8, the inspector, and that is exactly what he is these days.
Right.
So, we've got a felt ball set and some wooden balls as well, and this nice little treasure basket. What you think?
Can I bite it? Can I suck on it?
Whoa,
Good. Here, try
got a
one
wooden
of
one.
these. Try one of these.
Wooden one? It's heavy.
Get his own, thank you, Mother.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you ready? Oh.
All right. Now we got drool.
Okay, so there's that.
He says, no, don't take it away.
We've got these. These are the nesting and stacking drip drop cups.
What do we do with drip drop cups?
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, and they've got little different holes in the bottom, so I guess if you want to play with water, well, I guess if you stack them like this, you can pour water in and see how they drip.
Yeah.
You know, there's a booklet in this box that's going to tell me exactly how to play with these things. Oh, my first signs. We've been trying to do baby sign language with him, mostly milk. We're trying to teach him milk, but this has other stuff in it as well. Do you want to open it? See? Eat. Drink. Oh, maybe we've been doing milk wrong.
No, tell me no.
It almost looks like I'm supposed to do a little bit more of an action with that, but hey, you know a bunch of these. Here. Here. Oh yeah?
Okay, to do the nesting
Drip cups.
drip cups, it's just all kinds of things. You're learning parts of a whole.
Parts of a whole. Okay.
Build a tower with the cups and knock them down. Put water in them like you were suggesting. Pour and contain. Let's see what else they got. Show how the water drips out of the cup through the holes at different rates.
Mm-hmm.
You show them how they fit into each other. You can splash with them. You can play with them on a coffee table or a bench.
All right.
We can use them for counting. We can use them for colors.
Here. Oh, you know that one. All done. All done. Let's see. What does this go with? Oh no, this is baby's first puzzle. totally unrelated to this. So,
Do
you wanna see?
I want
wanna
some
see
more. It's sensory. It's one of the sensory treasures. Problem solving with hands and eyes.
whoa! Oh, maybe I can't put his picture in here. Oh,
I think that it's just for them to figure out that they can put that in
well,
there.
I'm gonna figure out a way to put your picture in it, Orion.
Mhm.
Okay, so then we have this thing, which is ball drop box.
They wooden balls.
No, you're absolutely right.
I don't know if it's
Orion, hey, bug.
he says, wait, I want that cup.
Look, Orion.
I want that cup.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. All right. Out of sight doesn't mean gone forever.
First cup. Look. Look. Whoa. That's where we're at a lot these days. It's just throwing stuff. Let's see. Oh. Okay. This is called Things I See texture cards. Hey, look.
He says, I see something over there I want to touch.
You can see, you can feel the laces of the shoes. Okay.
Here, let me do that for you. Okay, let's see if we can find
And
something
you can
nice.
feel the hat.
It's a baby. It's a
You
baby.
can feel that.
It's a baby. Yeah. Look at that. And
Your
cat.
favorite.
The kitty cat.
He's very into the animals and like,
Uh-oh.
hey, hey, hey.
Car. I like these.
Here, you want some of this? Wait, milk?
All
All right.
Now,
Okay, so this has a lot of cool stuff.
here, let me bring this back.
I think I like the treasure basket the best with its little balls, and the stacking cups are going to be nice too, and those are going to be good bath toys. So he still is using like a baby tub, but he sits really well on his own, and maybe it's time to transition out of the baby tub and use the big tub. And for the Lovevery boxes, it's not like a surprise when you get the box. They tell you specifically online what is going to come in each box, because they give you toys that are specifically for the growth and development at that point in the baby's life. So his 3 and 4 month toys were for that period of time, and the 5 and 6 month toys were for that period of time. And often with those two boxes, he wasn't really interested in those toys until about a month later. So when he was 3 months old, he wasn't really invested, I guess, in the box of toys for the 3 and 4 month old until he was like 3.5, 4.5 months old, I guess. And then the same thing happened with the 5 and 6 month box. But now he loves all of those toys. And then there are a few that he still just didn't really care about. But they've been really great boxes, and they help me learn about what he's supposed to be doing and how I can help him. Because the little booklet,
This one?
yeah.
This does.
Yeah. This book that it comes with is really great because it tells you how to use the toys, and then it gives you examples on like other ways to play with them, and then other activities to do with him as well, which is really great because I have struggled with that at times. But this was the 7 and 8 month box, and this is just his reactions to everything, and I think he's gonna enjoy it. And I hope you guys are staying safe in the quarantine if your city is still quarantining. We're doing pretty well here in New Orleans, and hey! Whoa! A little fussy, huh? I think the price of the Lovevery boxes are worth it. He has solid, good quality toys that are going to last him for a really long time and probably through any other children I have. And I think that it's helpful for me as well, learning at a rate that he's also learning at. So I like Lovevery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. If you have questions, you know how to ask them, and I will see you next time.
Bye. Some signs. I'm gonna find that little thingy. I have it in my hand.
Say bye, Orion.